welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Ashimary. I have worked with them many times on my channel. What I have installed today is a 26-inch 5x5 closure wig. Yay to another closure wig. This is the Density 250 body wave texture. This is an HD lace. I try to do a fresh out of the box install. A lot of times I notice with certain textures of body wave wigs, mainly highlight wigs, when I get it and I try to do a fresh out of the box install, the curls is hella resistant. Usually with these glueless wigs, it doesn't have this much lace to remove, so that's kind of interesting. If I leave that there, it looks funny. I guess that's what we're gonna do, just leave it there. So if I cut that off, I'll be cutting into the wig, and for a glueless wig, I don't think you want to have that much lace. You can probably cut a bit of it off. So because it has that flap, I'm going to secure it down because I don't know if I cut that off, all the baby hairs are going to be gone, all the edges. So we are just going to secure it. Go in with some powder so we can deepen the part just a bit. I did manage to get the wig to curl, so I'm gonna try to do this side. I'm gonna have to blow dry this out straight and then curl it because it's just like very resistant to the curls right now. This is what the wig looks like blown out. This is what I did to curl it. This is an HD lace. I would say for sure the HD is HDing, and I'm just gonna be very transparent with you guys because that's what we do over here on my channel. It doesn't always go perfectly or as planned, but we can all take something from it. If you were to get this wig, I would say you should definitely wash it and let it air dry overnight because you're gonna have a lot better luck with styling it. Tried to do curls, but it was just looking crazy. It just was really resistant to the curls. Now, I had to spray a lot of hairspray on this wig to get it to even hold somewhat of a curl. The curls are already dropping, and that's just how it turned out. I thought about wearing this wig straight during this install portion, but it was giving a very frizzy, and I just didn't feel like I wanted to wear it that way. So I did try again with the curling, and this is how the curls came out. It does look really pretty, but my goodness, was it ever hard to get here. It's definitely going to be a wig that you're going to have to spend a lot more time to get it to look good. So take that for what it is, but the lace on this unit is beautiful. It is a very deep parting space, goes all the way back, and it is true 5x5. Also didn't like how the lace came over the wigs. With these glueless wigs that they're creating right now, they usually don't have the lace coming that far out into your forehead. Basically, you would see the track here, so I had to put lots of baby hairs here. If I removed the entire width right here, it would be cutting into this hairline and cutting into the wig, and that's definitely not what I wanted to do. So those are my final thoughts about this wig and install. If you do want to find this wig, I'm gonna leave it in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.